Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving into the question that actually has two variations. Let's start with the first one, which is an easy one. So what we have to do is we have to find the alternate rows where the ID column is sequential. So this is our input table. In this table, we have the ID column. And if you see, the values are sequential. So what we want is we want the alternate rows. So you can see over here, these are the alternate rows that we want in the output. So let's quickly look into the solution of this question. Here you can see I've created the table and inserted the data into the table. I'll provide you this code in the description of the video. Okay, here I'm simply querying the employee table. Now what I want is I want to filter out the alternate rows. So this is a very simple one. All I'm going to do is I'll say where ID mod 2 equals to 1 because I want the odd rows. So you can see that this has returned me the odd rows. Let's say you want the even ones. So this is again no big deal. All you have to do is you have to write 0 instead of 1. Okay, now you can see that we have got the even rows. So this was a very simple question. Let's look into the second variation of this question. Now again, in the second variation, we have to find the alternate rows, but this time we do not have any ID column which is sequential. Now you can see over here that we have the ID column this time also, but the ID column is not sequential. So how are we going to solve this? Again, the solution is very simple for this question, but I have seen a lot of times students fail to answer such simple questions also because of lack of practice. So why don't you pause the video and think of the solution by yourself before you continue watching the solution? So what we are going to do is we are going to make use of window function, row number, and we are going to add one more column to this table. You can name it anything, and it will have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now, all we have to do it once we have this table, all we have to do is we are going to simply use the mod operator in order to get the alternate rows, the way we did it in the previous variation. Here you can see that I have created the table and inserted the data into the table because the data in the table is different this time. So here's the employee table and the data. Now I'm going to add a new column to this table using the window function. So row number over. I'm not going to give anything inside the over and that would work. And I'll quickly give it a name, this column a name. Perfect. So this is our table. Now what we want is we want the alternate rows. So I'm going to make this query as a subquery and I'm going to write a main query. So I want star from. Now this is a subquery. I'll quickly give it a name. Where rn mod 2 equals to 1. Perfect. We have got the results. Now, if you want the even one, all you have to do is you have to replace 1 with 0. So this is again a very simple one. So I hope I'm clear with the solution. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you in the next one.